Let's see some objective in the discussed environmental chemistry topic. These are related to some JEE mains questions. Question number 1. Which of the following regions of atmosphere contains ozone? Options are given like this. Number 1, troposphere. Number 2, thermosphere. Number 3, mesosphere. Number 4, stratosphere. In the beginning only, as I have discussed, we have 0 to 50 kilometers, 10 kilometers troposphere, 10 to 50 kilometers stratosphere, where ozone layer is existing. So we can go for answer 4 for the question number 1. For question number 1, answer is the 4, that is stratosphere. Question number 2. Bhopal gas tragedy in the year 1984 was caused by options. Number 1, carbon monoxide. Option 2, carbonyl chloride COCl2. Option 3, methyl isocyanide. Option 4, methyl isocyanate. So carefully observe, it is again once again option number 4. This is CH3 NCO, methyl isocyanate, but not CH3 NC, that is for third option. So we should go for answer 4, which is methyl isocyanate. Next, question number 3. The medium which reacts with the pollutant is called options: sink, receptor, contaminant, speciations. They have given answers for the question. The medium which react with the pollutant is called option 1, sink, option 2, receptor, option 3, contaminant, option 4, speciation. So the medium which reacts with the pollutant, interacts with the pollutant for a long time, you can call it as a sink. Already we have discussed about the terminology in the beginning only, so we can go for answer 1, sink. Question number 4. In the question number 4, the pollutant is, options are given like this: MIC, methyl isocyanate, oil spills from the ships, carbon monoxide, leakage of chlorine gas from some chlorine industries. So the pollutant among this, what is the difference between pollutant and contaminant? We should understand. Pollutant is there in the nature and it is being increased by human activity adversely. Contaminant is only increased or only released by human activity. That is the difference between pollutant and contaminant. So among the given 4 answers, remaining are contaminants and the pollutant is carbon monoxide. So we can go for answer 3 for this option over here. This is called pollutant. Question number 5. The biochemical oxygen demand, called BOD. The BOD value of municipal seepage water is option 1, 1 parts per million, option 2, 5 parts per million, option 3, 5 to 10 parts per million, option 4, 100 to 4000 parts per million. So the limit for BOD value in the municipal seepage water is 100 to 4000 ppm. So we can go for answer 4 for this question here. Next, question number 6. Untreated domestic seepage has a low value of dash. Option 1, BOD value. Option 2, percentage of dissolved oxygen value low. Option 3, amounts of dissolved salts low. Option 4, percentage of suspended organic matter is low. So the question was, untreated domestic seepage water consists of a low value of dissolved oxygen. Therefore the aquatic life is affected very badly, because certain minimum amount of oxygen is dissolved in the water that is useful for the living organism. So we can go for answer 2 for this question. Question number 7. The sink of dead plants and animals is option 1, seawater, 2, river water, 3, microorganisms, and 4 is atmosphere or atmospheric air. So sink for dead plants and animals will be, it is microorganisms. So we can go for answer 3. Question number 8 is, in BOD determination the true period of study is fixed as option 1, 4 hours, option 2, 2 hours, option 3, 3 days, option 4, 5 days. In biochemical oxygen demand determination, the true period for studying is fixed at 20 degrees Celsius temperature for a span of 5 days In this span, the microorganisms may survive. That is the reason they have fixed the span as 5 days. So we can go for answer 4. Question number 9. The medium which is affected by a pollutant is called sink, environment, biosphere, receptor. When you stop at the traffic signals, our eyes become red. We will have a burning sensation in the eyes. We get headache. All this because of we are the medium. Human body is a medium. Human eyes are the medium. So the medium which is affected by a pollutant for a small period of time, you can call it as a receptor. So we can go for answer 4. Question number 10. The amount of oxygen used by microorganisms present in water for 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius temperature is called to be, just now we discussed. Options given like this. Number 1, chemical oxygen demand COD. Number 2, dissolved oxygen. Number 3, threshold limit value. Number 4, biochemical oxygen demand. So we can go for answer 4, that is biochemical oxygen demand. Question number 11. 4 samples of water A, B, C and D have dissolved oxygen DO values 1 milligram per liter, 3 milligrams per liter, 5 milligrams per liter and 8 milligrams per liter respectively. The more polluted sample of water is it A? Option 1 is given as A, option 2 B, option 3 C and option 4 is given as D. So it's a concept based question. Dissolved oxygen level DO level will be 4 to 6 milligrams per liter, optimum level. Anything which is less than that is a water pollution. So A has a DO value 1 milligram per liter, it is more dangerous. Therefore, the more polluted sample is 1 milligram per liter, that is option 1. This is so we can go for answer 1. Question number 12. Hottest region of the atmosphere. Number 1, mesosphere. Number 2, stratosphere. Number 3, thermosphere. Number 4, troposphere. Troposphere 0 to 10 kilometers, 10 to 50 kilometers stratosphere, 50 to 85 kilometers is the mesosphere and finally up to 500 kilometers is thermosphere. The hottest one is thermosphere, where you can observe the ionization of gases over there. So we can go for answer 3. So thermosphere. Question number 13. The major components of atmosphere are option 1, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Number 2, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Option 3, nitrogen and oxygen. Option 4, oxygen and sulfur dioxide. So the major components in the atmospheric air are nitrogen, that is 78% by volume, and oxygen, that is 21% by volume. So we can go for answer 3 for this question. Question number 14. DDT and BHC may act as. What is DDT? Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. What is BHC? Benzene hexachloride. It is a gamaxine. It is called 666. It's called lindane. So they are acting for what? Option 1, allergens. Option 2, carcinogens. Option 3, asthmatic agents. Option 4, laxatives. They are causing cancer. So they are called carcinogens. So we can go for answer 2. The progressive warming up of the earth's surface is mainly because of options. Number 1, automobile exhausts. Option 2, blanketing effect of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Option 3, reforestation. Option 4, thickening of ozone layer. The progressive warming up of the earth's surface is because mainly blanketing effect of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The hot gases cannot leave from the atmosphere because of the blanketing effect of carbon dioxide as a layer, as a blanket. So this is causing greenhouse effect, global warming. So we can go for answer 2 for the 15th question. Question number 16. The permissible level of pollutant to which a healthy person is exposed for 8 hours in a day is called. Option 1, pollutant limit value. Option 2, toxic limit value. Option 3, threshold limit value. Option 4, chemical oxygen demand. It is nothing but a definition of threshold limit value. So we can go for option 3. Question number 17. Pollution of natural water is due to options A, soil erosion, option B, dissolved fluorides, option C, soluble salts from industrial effluents. So combiningly they gave options, option 1 A and B, option 2 B and C, option 3 C and A, and option 4 A, B, C, all the three. So pollution of natural water is because of the soil erosion, yes, and because of dissolved fluorides in excess levels, yes. Soluble salts from industrial effluents also responsible. So we can go for answer 4 for the 17th question. 18th question, pollution of water alters. Option they gave A, the physical properties of water only, B, the chemical properties of water only, C, biological properties of water. So combiningly option 1 is given A and B, option 2 is given B and C, option 3 is given A and C, option 4 is given A, B, C again. So pollution of water alters physical properties like color, taste, appearance, all this. The chemical properties cannot fit for drinking purposes, and the biological properties also, aquatic life cannot survive in that. Therefore we can go for answer 4 as combination of A, B, C. Question number 19. Incomplete combustion of petrol in the automobile engines can be detected by testing the fuel gases for the presence of option 1 carbon dioxide and water vapor, option 2 carbon monoxide, option 3 nitrogen dioxide, option 4 sulfur dioxide. So incomplete combustion of petrol in automobile engines can be detected by testing the fuel gases for carbon monoxide. So we can go for answer 2. Question number 20. Which is a greenhouse gas? Option A methane, B chlorofluorocarbons, C carbon dioxide. So they combinedly proposed an answer over here. Option 1 A and B, option 2 B and C, option 3 C and D, option 4 A, B and C. What are greenhouse gases? Methane is a greenhouse gas, yes. Chlorofluorocarbons are greenhouse gases, definitely, and carbon dioxide is also responsible for greenhouse gas. Therefore we can go for answer 4, which is A, B and C. Question number 21. Green plants during daytime absorb option 1 oxygen, option 2 carbon dioxide, option 3 carbon monoxide, option 4 nitrogen. Green plants during the daytime absorbs carbon dioxide and liberates and releases oxygen gas. Therefore for this question we can go for answer carbon dioxide, that is answer 2.